Hello guys and welcome to yet another video of my cooking diary. Firstly, I want to wish you all a very happy Holi. So today's video is about Holi special sweet Gujiya. So let's get started.
First we'll make the preparation for the Gujia dough. For that we'll need 1 cup of Maida. Make a small hole in the center. And then we will add 1/8 cup of ghee. Mix the ghee evenly in the maida. Now we will take 1/4 cup of warm water and we'll add it in intervals to knead the dough. So the dough of Gujia is little semi-hard, just like that of a poori. So you need not make the dough very soft. So it took a little less than 1/4 cup of water to knead this dough to this consistency. Once it is done, we will wrap the dough in a damp cloth and keep it for 15 minutes. Now I have taken 160 grams of khoya in a pan. I will roast it a little bit on low flame. Please check the description box below for my video on homemade khoya. The khoya is roasted for 3 to 4 minutes and this is how it looks now. The khoya has now cooled down. We will break this khoya into smaller pieces till it resembles breadcrumbs texture. So this is the required texture. To this khoya add 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of Chironji, 1 tablespoon of Khishmish or raisins, 3/4 teaspoon of Elaichi Powder, 40 grams of grated coconut. This is completely as per your preference. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your liking. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The dough has been resting for 15 minutes now. We will knead this dough again for 2 to 3 minutes more. Take half of the dough and roll it out into little less than 1/4 inch of thickness. Take out 4 equal parts and remember that rest half of the dough is still resting in a damp cloth. Take individual part and roll it out into very thin sheet. Take the sheet and place it on a Gujia mold so that it covers the mold properly. I have taken 1 tablespoon of maida and added a little water to make a thick consistency. This acts as a glue. Apply the glue on the rim of the Gujia mold. Take 2 spoons of Gujia filling and place it on the sheet. Be careful that the Gujia filling doesn't spill out. Now close the mold carefully, press it down a little bit and remove the extra dough from the sides. Take out the Gujia from the mold and prepare rest of the Gujiyas in this way. We have to keep the Gujiyas one by one in a damp cloth so that it doesn't dry out. It's time for frying the Gujiyas now. Take oil or ghee in a pan. I have taken 1.5 cups of ghee and 1.5 cups of oil. It's your preference. Place the gujiyas one by one in the heated oil. The flame should be low to medium. Flip the gujiyas once it's done from one side. The gujiyas are golden brown from each side. These are done now. Take it out and let it rest till it comes to room temperature. Serve it to guests at Holi time. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.